If you're not comfortable working with electricity, hire an electrician. If you feel unsure or uncomfortable working with electricity, leave the job to the professionals. Even the basic project like working in light fixtures can be dangerous, and there's always risk of injury. Today we're looking at some smart switches from Ghome. They sent them to me to review. We're just going to do a quick unboxing, quick review. We're going to show you how to install them. I'm going to show you how they work and how the app works. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is an in-depth video, a little bit longer than normal ones, but I'm going to teach you a little bit about these smart switches and how to get them to work with Wi-Fi, Alexa, and Google. So let's get to the video. Thanks for tuning in for another episode of your review channel, and today I have some smart switches that was sent to me by Ghome, and I've done a couple of their other products, and I really like the quality. Let's do a quick unboxing, and I'm going to show you how to install and get these set up. So this is going to be a little bit longer video, but if you want to learn how to use these, bear with me and learn. That's what this video is all about. So what we have here is a pack of 4 Wi-Fi smart switches. I do have a 12-month warranty. Model number is WS5. These are Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz, not 5 gigahertz. And the reason why they do not 5 gigahertz is because it's a shorter bandwidth. 2.4 gives you a longer bandwidth and a longer range, and that's why they use that mainly. This is a 4-pack they did send me, so let's do an unboxing. I just want to show you a little bit about this and just go over what's included in this specific 4-pack. And I like what they do here. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. Let's just open it up and take a look at it. So what they give, so this is a pack of 4, like I said. So what they first give you is 4 of everything. You got all the wire ties, mounting screws, and also so it has 4 of those, which is nice, and they're all packaged and ready to go. And also what they do, which is I think was a really awesome thing, a lot of companies don't always do this, is include the light switches, the covers, and go buy covers. They're not cheap, and these are good quality covers. These are good quality covers. They work with the switches, so that's nice. They come with that, so you don't have to worry about buying covers. So that is a nice bonus. Out here, let's see what else is in the package. So what we have in here is instructions, information, all that stuff is included in here. You can use this with Alexa or Google Assistant, whatever you want to use. You can use this wire labeling if you want to label everything so you know what you're dealing with, neutrals and live. And if you're not comfortable wiring stuff, hire an electrician. That's what I'm going to tell you to do. Hire an electrician. That's my disclaimer. Hire an electrician if you're not comfortable installing anything electrical. But I'm just going to talk to you about the switch, and I'm going to actually install it myself, and I'm going to show you. So it comes with an instruction manual. Read that over. It comes with the actual information here, how to use the app. I already downloaded the app on my phone from before I have it. It is easy to download. There's a so when they have on the side of the box is a QR code. So you take your phone and you basically just take a photo of it, and it basically will take you to the Apple Store or wherever you want to use, and you can download the app. And here I already have the app already downloaded from the last reviews I did, and I'm going to add the light switch to it. So that's really easy to do. So if you want to watch that video, I'll leave a link at the end of the video. You can see that video. So again, comes with 4 switch covers, which is nice. I like that. We'll put those to the side. Comes with all that, comes with the instructions, comes with all this. Let's take a look inside the box. Let's pull this out. And you can see here, there's 4 of them. And let's just pull one out. Take a look at the back here, and they're all set of wires here. Each one of these, they have a little Wi-Fi logo on top here as well. So we're going to install this. We're going to take a look at these wires real quick. Like I said, so if you're not comfortable doing electrical, definitely hire an electrician. Don't do it yourself. All right, let's get to it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we're going to install this and see how it works. And also, it does come with the screws to install everything, which is cool. So, all right, let's get to it. Okay, this is the switch I'm going to replace. I have an overhead light on top of this here. So it's not working. As you can see, I killed the power. So make sure the power is off. Number 1 rule, guys, if you're doing anything electrical, make sure the power is off. Okay, so let's just go over this. So I have a red wire, a black wire, a white wire, and a green wire. Okay, so the green wire is the ground, the white wire is the neutral, and then you have a black wire here, which is one side is hot, and the other side also goes to the other side of the switch. So that's where sometimes people get confused with. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to create a circuit and then a switch within the circuit. That's kind of how this is working. So you want to have constant power to the switch because that's Wi-Fi, but also the switch is a switch, so it turns on the light on and off. And that's where a lot of people get confused with these multiple wire setups with this type of thing. So if you're not comfortable, hire an electrician, but this one does work. I put the white to the neutral. one of the blacks. And if you have two black wires like this one does here, definitely use a probe and see which one's the hot and which one's the neutral, like the common wire. So you can see the red one here is to the common, the black one is to the hot, the white is to the neutral. Again, that's like, so the neutral, there's a hot, and there's a common. That's how that kind of works. And then there's the ground, and all have to be hooked up to work. So then you have to have power to the switch. Then the switch always has power, and then you want to have the switch go on and off, and that's kind of how that works. So hopefully you understand that. Don't want to make it too complicated. Again, if you're not comfortable, definitely hire an electrician, as it says in the beginning of the video. But this is pretty easy, and as long as the power's off, you really can't hurt anybody, and that's the idea. So let's continue.
Okay, guys, so it's all installed. They've put on the plate, good to go, and the power is on. And just like I showed you, it's not a problem whatsoever. Worked out perfectly. Hit the switch, turns on. Now, it's blinking, so it's looking to connect to the Wi-Fi. So pull out your app and just hit the plus sign, okay? And then you want to say Discovering Devices. It's looking for this guy and hit Add, okay? Smart Switch, hit Add. Very easy. So once you have it set up and good to go, it's going to look for that smart switch. It's going to add to the system. And that's all you have to do. So basically you can turn off and on this switch from your phone, and then you get set up with Alexa, you get set up with Google. See the green? Just turn green. That means it's connecting, and that is done. So that is connected. That's good to go. There you go. Off and on. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Wow. Wow. And then you can edit it. So I'm going to edit this one here. So I'm going to call this downstairs. Downstairs. Save. So that is all set to go. That is set for downstairs. That power is off. So power is on. Though it's that easy. These just snap right on, these covers. They snap right on. So that's super easy. I tell you, once you get this thing rocking and rolling and you set up your account and get everything, it's just super easy to add all these switches to your home. So I'm going to add some more to my house. I actually love this company. They did send this to me just so you know, to be transparent, and I actually love the quality. And I've had other switches from this company, and I'm very happy. You can see it works perfectly. All right, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I do appreciate it. Hope you learned a little bit about this Wi-Fi smart switch. Great company. I'll leave a link down below, like I said. For this 4-pack, they have other packs as well on Amazon. Take a look, see what you like. I think this is a absolutely great. Look at this. This thing is so cool, and it works, and it's very responsive. So all right, guys, so let's take that out, and that is downstairs light. Easy breezy. Again, these just snap on. I showed you how to wire it. If you're not comfortable, get an electrician, but it's really kind of cool. I love it. As soon as you turn the power on, it'll start syncing. You can sync it, rock and roll, and you're good to go. So I definitely love it. Definitely recommend it, and I appreciate your time, and I'll see you at the next one.